Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to find the equivalent inductance for the given problem. Okay, so here the question asked is find the equivalent inductance across X and Y. So here you can see here a 2 Henry's inductor is there, 4 Henry inductor is there, 4 Henry inductor is there, and 1 Henry inductor is given. So we need to find out the resultant. I can say here 4 and 4 are connected in parallel. So the resultant I am going to draw here. So this is one inductor across the terminal A, and the resultant is across the terminal B. So you have inductance at B and one more inductance is connected up here. So this value is 2 Henry, this value is 1 Henry. I can say that these two inductors are connected in parallel. If two resistors or two inductors are connected in parallel, the formula is same. So L equivalent is equal to product of inductance. Okay, how to calculate this value is 1 by L equivalent is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. From here L equivalent you are going to get it as a 2 Henry. The value of this one is 2 Henry. Now I need this terminal is X, this node is Y. So I require the L equivalent between these three elements. You can see here the current starts flowing across 2 Henry, the same current flows across 2 Henry, and the same current flows across 3 Henry. So I can say that these three are once again connected. These three are once again connected in series. If they are connected in series, the formula for L equivalent or R equivalent both are same. This is nothing but L1 plus L2 plus L3. So the resultant you are going to get it as an one inductor across the terminal X and Y. So the value what you are going to get is 2 plus 2 plus 1, which is nothing but 5 Henry. So this is the value of L equivalent between X and Y. So this is how to find out. So this is very simple problem. So just understand if the formulas for R equivalent and L equivalent will be same, but it will differ only for capacitances. Okay, so just change. Why? Because the inductor and capacitor both are in dual in nature. Okay, so we will solve the remaining problems in the upcoming class. Very simple to understand. I'm going to revise the problem. This is 2 Henry, these two are connected in parallel. You can directly find out in this format also product of inductance 4 into 4 divided by 4 plus 4. 4 fours is nothing but 16 by 8, which is nothing but again 4 Henry. Sorry, it is nothing but 2 Henry. Okay. So here you are going to get 2 Henry. So again 2 Henry, 2 Henry and 1 Henry are connected in series. The resultant is 5 Henry. So that's how to calculate the value of L equivalent. If you find the video is useful, please like the video, share with your friends. And if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And if you're watching the channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel, which is a channel for the development of students and faculty. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Yours obediently, Ram.